Hi, I'd like to show you in a very, very short video what's possible with Heisenware. So what we have here is an OPC UA use case, typical for the factory floor. We have a connection check. So if we are connected to the OPC UA server, if not, we automatically reconnect. And this is indicated by this green light here. Then we are reading a variable in the OPC UA protocol every 1 second, and we visualize this variable in the circular gauge here. And now the aim is to also record the data and visualize the recorded data. For that, I'm just adding a recorder to any value that we are receiving. And here I can say recorded data, for example, as the name of the data point. And now the moment I start test mode, it's already recording. So and now in order to read the data from the internal time series database, we just click here and we get a read function. And then the read function is pre-configured for us. I'll just add a tail 100 to receive 100 values. I triggered manually. As you can see, we have dates and values. That's the data that we just recorded. Now we'll add a second page to our app. So blank page. Let me quickly adjust the navigation bar at the bottom. So page 1 is live, page 2 is history. And in here, I would love to show the data in a chart. So adding a chart. And then drag and drop the data onto the chart, decide how often the chart should be updated. Let's say every 2 seconds. That's a bit often, but it's fine for the use case. And now we're going to adjust the very same chart for the bigger screen, so we can deploy on any device. And now I will deploy the app. It's done now. I open it. And on the first page, we will see the live data and the connection state of the OPC UA server. On the second page, you will see the recorded data, just read from our time series database, updating every 5 seconds. And if I like to, I can also install the app, so it's installed on my device, and it opens like this in the browser. It's a web app. All right, that's it. I hope you liked it, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.